Hey everyone, this is Dr. Jyoti Bala. I welcome you all on my YouTube channel. In this session, I will be providing you a wonderful summer internship program for undergraduate and master students. So if you're interested in getting a hands-on training and research experience, then this session would be important for you. In this session, we will be exploring Summer Research Program 2025, which is provided by S.N. Bose National Center for Basic Sciences that is in Calcutta. So let's find out the eligibility criteria of this fellowship, the duration, the application procedure and the benefits associated with this summer research program. So let's begin with the eligibility first. So if you are a student in your first year or second year of your MSc or either third year or fourth year student of your BSc 4-year program, or even fourth or fifth year student of your integrated MSc, especially in the areas of physical, chemical, biological and mathematical sciences such as physics, applied mathematics, applied optics, photonics and applied physics, biochemistry, bioinformatics, biophysics, biotechnology, subjects like electronic engineering, physics, material science or nanotechnology, then you are eligible to apply. If you talk about the duration of this program, this summer research program will be conducted from 1st of May 2025 to 15 July 2025. You will be receiving a supervision and mentoring from the faculty member of S.N. Bose NCBS. Here are some of the important key points. This summer training program is not equivalent to your major MSc dissertation program. You will be provided with the on-campus accommodation depending on the availability of the hostel room, and you're also required to pay rupees 200 per day. During the training period, they will provide you with the computational and library facility. At the end of this summer training project and program, the selected students are also required to deliver a presentation on their work, also submit a project report. After giving the presentation and submission of report only, you will be receiving your completion certificate. If you talk about the financial benefits and support, then you will be receiving rupees 12,500 per month, which is to cover all expenses. They will also provide a return AC Tier 3 train fare. And if you are interested to apply to this in summer training program, you must have a good academic track record. You need to fill an online application. I will be providing the link in the description section, so please check the link. And before applying, please visit the official site of S.N. Bose NCBS. See the faculty list and try to contact them. Once you get the consent letter from the respective faculty member, then only you can apply to the application. The list of the members of faculty of the center and their research backgrounds are given on the official site. I will be putting the official site of this institute. You also required to provide your recent CV, which you need to upload during your application. You also require to provide them no objection certificate. Please download the form from this link, and you need to get it signed from your HOD, dean, principal or director of your institute or college, which also need to be uploaded in your application form. And to summarize the important dates associated with this summer training program, currently the application is open and the last date for receiving these application is 31st March 2025. The selected candidate will be notified around 16th of April 2025. The date of the start of this summer research program is 1st May 2025 and the duration of this program is 2 months between 1st May 2025 to 15th July 2025. If you are having any particular questions or inquiry, you can contact me or you can also contact this given email ID. I hope you have liked the session. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel and do share these information